What's up guys, today I'm going to be showing you how to make a switchblade sword. And what's really cool about it, because if you fold this at the back and fold it like that, it comes up. So I'm going to show you how to do that at the end of the video. But first, we're going to make it. So first, you fold the paper diagonally in half. After that, flip over and let's fold this right here. Let's fold diagonally in half on the other side. Collar side up. We fold the first diagonal line on the white side up. So now we're gonna fold it on the collar side up. Why? So after he did that, don't unfold it, just keep it folded. So zoom in, and you see this. See this edge right here? Fold this up to this edge, right over here. Like that. So we're gonna repeat on this side right here, not on this side. We're gonna repeat it later, but first we're gonna repeat it on this side right here. Unfold and fold it. So now we're gonna make a rabbit here. So make it close. You see, I'm gonna pinch it on this piece. You see, there's a crease right there. Pinch and see how it's kind of gonna fold. That's why we made this piece, we made a rabbit here. So, pinch, like that. So we made a rabbit here. So now we're gonna fold it on this side. Like that. So now we're gonna repeat on the other side. I'm gonna warn you that this is a little bit difficult, but I'm gonna teach you how to make that at the end of the video right here, like this. See that? That's an eye. So now we're gonna grab here also on this side. We're gonna grab it here, and you see we're gonna fold it. Oh my gosh, we're gonna fold it right over, and it's like this. If you fold it like on this side, it's gonna be the same on this side. So we're gonna fold it right here, that. And now, this is a little bit hard. You have to fiddle with folds. So you have to fold this right here, like that, just like that. And don't crease it yet. Just pinch over here. And now let's align this point. See this point right here? I have to align it on this point right over there. Like that. So this point aligns on this point, and this point aligns on this point. So now what we're gonna do is, you see this right here, see this edge, you see this point, you have to fold it so that this edge right here should align on this edge right here. So now we're gonna repeat on the other side. So like that. So after it looks like that, you have to don't unfold this. Sorry about that. So now we're gonna unfold this edge, this point right here. We're gonna unfold this fold, and let's unfold this fold too. And let's align this. Let's fold it up So it should align on this point and aligns on this edge. Let me get this way. So now, let's repeat on the other side. Come on, hold on. I do it like that. We're gonna do it like this. Oh my gosh. Hold on. You see, it should look like this. And now, let's unfold this and let's unfold this. And you see this pocket right here, this pocket. Let's unfold the rabbit here. And this is a little bit hard because we're gonna make it like we're gonna pleat sync it. So first fold this in the crease and let's repeat on this crease right here. This and let's repeat. Oh, let's if you fold this right, you have to pinch right here. Pinch on this crease and also pinch on this crease and pinch on this crease. So now we're gonna flip it over and let's pinch this crease. Pinch, 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 and now we're on the other side. So now we're gonna align this to the edge, and now I'm gonna put it like that. So just wait for a moment. So now we're gonna continue. So after we've done on this side, we're now gonna repeat on this side. So unfold the rabbit. Fold this, and unfold the rabbit here. So now let's repeat like this. And now, you see we've done it like this. So now we're gonna flip it over again. And let's pinch on this crease. Now pinch. After you pinch right there, you need to really align the crease. Let's align it again. Like that. So now, after you've done that, now let's fold it right here. So yeah. Oh, not like that. We're gonna unfold it right here. Unfold this. You see this? We're gonna unfold it. I'm gonna do that again because you didn't see it. See, it's right here. Flip over, and you see this. You're gonna find this. Unfold, and then flip it over again. So let's rotate it. So now we're gonna make it like that. Oh, you can't really see the crease, but there's a crease right there, right over there, like that. And let's fold it like that, but don't crease it. Here, I'm gonna do it like that. You see this? We're gonna open that, and see, I'm gonna pinch it. We're gonna pinch this crease right here, and then fold it like that. Like that. See? Should look like that. So now let's repeat on the other side. I don't know what this is called, but it's like this. This right here is this. So now we're gonna repeat. Let's unfold this and then pinch. After it's done like that, you see, it should look like this. And now let's this is a little bit tricky. So now we're gonna unfold this right here.
Open.
We should unfold also this. We're gonna unfold this also. We're gonna color change it. You see this bump right here on the other side? You're gonna make it on this side. So how to do that? You're gonna put your mommy finger right here, put it like that, and push it a little bit like that, and it should go on the other side. And we're gonna make it like that now. So yeah. So it's on this side now. It's a little bit tricky. That's why it's a little bit hard. So it should look like this. And now let's repeat on this side. Right here. Look like that. And then. And now let's refold this and fold this right here on the back. Oh my gosh, oh my gosh. I didn't did it so well, but that's okay because it's on this side. It's cool on this side, right? So now we're gonna do it again. We're gonna this is a little bit also tricky. Just a little bit, not that tricky. So now actually we're gonna make it good. I'm gonna put it right over there. So now let's unfold and unfold these. Don't really unfold it like we're just gonna fold it. These. Look, it looks like a diamond. So now we're gonna fold this right here into the middle. And now let's squash it. Let's repeat on this side. Oh, wait a second, wait a second. Should be like that. Like that. It's a little bit tricky. And I don't know what I'm doing. Should be like that. So now, you see this boy right here. Let's get that out. That out. And we're gonna fold it a little bit, just over there. Now we're gonna unfold this. Don't really unfold it. Unfold it. So you see this right here? It should look like that. To make an eye, let's fold. Oh my gosh. Let's fold this like this. And you see, it kind of looks like an eye, but let's shape it like that. So you see now it looks like an eye. It looks like a pasta. And now to make it look like this right here, you see that? I made it like that. So it's a little bit tricky also. But if you like it that way, then you're done. But yeah, we're gonna make it a little bit realistic. See, it kind of looks like that now. It looks like so much cooler. So we're gonna repeat on this side. It's a little bit hard. First it's hard, but yeah. And first it's hard, but when you grow up, it's gonna be not that hard. Oh my gosh. So let's now fold this. So if you like it like this, then you're done. So that's how you make a switchable sword. To make it like this one right here, let's fold it like this. And then push it down.